The old Facebook money playbook? Yeah, that era is over. Today, nearly everything you post has the potential to generate income, and I'm talking photos, captions, stories, reels, the whole package. I recently cleared over 800 bucks from simple image posts and written updates alone, which raises a huge question. Does that mean video is no longer the only path to getting paid on Facebook? That's exactly what we're breaking down right now, because the platform has quietly shifted how creators earn. A few years back, the formula was simple. Upload longer videos, let viewers stick around long enough for ads to run, and collect the revenue. That system revolved around what used to be called ad breaks, and 3-minute uploads were the golden ticket. But that setup has been replaced by a much broader monetization strategy. Facebook is rolling out a new program that rewards engagement across nearly every content format. At the moment, access is limited to invited creators, though open enrollment is expected down the road. The timeline is still fuzzy, but that doesn't mean you should sit back and wait. There are ways to position your page right now so you're ready when the door swings open. I've already seen pages earning through this updated system, and the biggest shift is simple. You're no longer boxed into video-only thinking. If you've been accepted into the program and you're still posting the same way you did years ago, you're leaving money on the table. The new model rewards variety and consistency, which means your written posts, photos, and stories suddenly matter more than ever. Every piece of content becomes another chance to get paid if it sparks reactions, comments, and shares. Now let's talk strategy, because this is where most creators stumble. First, lock in your niche. You don't want random followers who scroll past your stuff. You want an audience that actually cares about what you post and interacts with it daily. Engagement is the real currency now, so a smaller, loyal crowd beats a massive, silent one every time. Second, post more often. If you're already repurposing clips from TikTok or YouTube, turn up the volume on Facebook. There's a myth that frequent posting hurts performance, but I've seen the opposite play out again and again. More posts mean more data, more testing, and more chances to hit something that really connects. Third, treat your page like a business and invest in it. Running ads or promoting posts doesn't kill organic reach. It often boosts it. I've watched creators with tiny followings suddenly take off once they combine paid promotion with smart content. Their engagement climbed, their audience exploded, and the algorithm started working in their favor instead of against them. Put those three ideas together, focused audience, higher output, and strategic investment, and you're stacking the deck in your favor. Whether you're waiting on an invite or already monetized, that approach sets you up to grow faster and earn more. And if you're serious about leveling up your Facebook income this year, check the links below. I work directly with creators who want to scale smarter, not harder, and I've seen students cross 5 figures a month using these exact principles. I've also dropped a free PDF that breaks everything down step by step. Got questions? Drop them below. I read them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.